Increasing and decreasing function. Example, find the interval in which function fx equals to x square minus 3x plus 2 is increasing and decreasing. As you can see, it is given that fx equals to x square minus 3x plus 2. In order to find the interval for increasing and decreasing of function fx, we need to differentiate this function. So technically what we're doing, we are using the first derivative test. So let's differentiate. So differentiation of fx is f dash x is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x minus differentiation of 3x is negative 3 and differentiation of 2 is 0. So our f dash x is equal to 2x minus 3. Let's find f dash x equals to 0. So f dash x equals to 0, which is equal to 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. If we simplify this, we will get x equals to 3 over 2. Before we go any further, what I would like to do, I would like to grab the function fx. So this is the graph of the function. As we can see, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and this is the equation of the parabola. As you can see, the parabola intersecting the y-axis at 2 and it's intersecting x-axis at 1 and 2. And as you can see that x equals to 3 over 2 is the point of inflection. So this is the point which is x equals to 3 over 2. At this point, the function is changing its nature. So technically, this point x equals to 3 over 2 divides the parabola in two different parts. So let's try to understand what it simply means. In order to do that, I'm going to draw the number line. So this is my number line where x equals to 3 over 2 is this point right here. On the left hand side, it goes all the way to negative infinity, and on the right hand side, it goes all the way to positive infinity. So technically, this point x equals to 3 over 2 divides the nature of the function in two parts. One that lies on this side and the other one that lies on this side of 3 over 2. So the interval on the left hand side is negative infinity to 3 over 2 and the interval on right hand side is 3 over 2 to infinity. Let's try to understand this mathematically. In order to do that, I would like to consider a point between negative infinity to 3 over 2. So I'm going to consider 1 because 1 lies between negative infinity to 3 over 2. And I'm going to use this function. So when I use this function, I will write f dash 1, which is over here, is equal to 2 times 1 minus 3 because I have 2x minus 3. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is negative 1. And we know that negative 1 is less than 0. So we can say that function is decreasing for interval negative infinity to 3 over 2. I'm going to consider x equals to 4, and as you can see 4 lies between 3 over 2 and infinity. So I'll put the value over here. So when I substitute the value over here, I will write f dash 4, which is over here, is equal to 2 times 4 minus 3, which is over here. So 2 times 4 is 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5, and 5 is greater than 0. So we can say that function is increasing. So let's try to understand the nature of the function. So as we can see, the function is decreasing from negative infinity to 3 over 2, and function is increasing from 3 over 2 to infinity. And these are the intervals for increasing and decreasing of the function.